Well, this is the original foreign mind. So that you must supply. Oh, you must supply. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. That you must supply. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. See, foreign is a place where people come and go. When some people go to foreign, they see things they never see before and forget all about their brethren. Propaganda, we live in support. Right now he's down there sleeping on the floor. Get to see.
Yo, worm! Hookworm! Walk on, man.
Look at me black, look at me shine. This is the secret to keeping in my hand. Michael Jackson.
You don't say it, Ben, let me see, I know it was you. Yo, Ben, where you get the car?
Oh, you get so small.
Oh my God.
You look like a shrink, man.
Yo, man.
So I go and cut.
Everything, man, you look good, man.
I know me can't believe some of they are foreign, you know.
But you come to people do what I do all the time.
Son of much, man. Hey, from there Jamaican and people are laugh after me, you know. But you see, from as long as me know so me not freeze Garfield, them could have laughed till God come.
Are you two cases?
Yeah, I see me this.
Yo, man, yo, just him, man. Yeah.
I know me can't believe some reach are foreign, trust me. What? Are you this? Alexa say I drive my cousin.
Oh, easy, man. Yes, man, yo.
Yeah, man, trust
So,
me.
how was your flight, man?
Boy, they alright, you know, cousin. Trust me, but the hostess girl, this the program, big time star.
Oh, yeah, say what?
Yo, through the first time I take plane Garfield, I never know, say, the window couldn't open, brethren. You see me, I say? So I asked the girl to crack the window open for me because I feel kind of hot, you know?
Yo.
Girl embarrassed me in front of everybody. I tried them to bun me.
You serious?
Serious, man.
Yo, yeah. My youth, you never know, say you can't open plane window.
I never know that Garfield, man.
You're crazy, you know, my youth. The breeze and I rip up the whole plane.
They rip up the whole plane?
Yeah, man.
Boy,
Oh, God.
anyway though, cousin, trust me. I really want to thank the eye for really make me come and foreign still, you see me?
Youth, I nothing
I love that, you know.
Family, man.
I love that, virgin, because apart from you, my granny and country, the only family where I really know, you know?
Yes, how your granny do now?
Boy, I want to tell you something, I don't even talk.
Why? What?
Yo, woman bun me up with hot porridge, man. You know, sleep in a Garfield.
That porridge?
Nah, I tell you, man.
So why she do that?
Yo, here we go on. One night she send me for her partner money, see? And when I come back, some boy juke me down and take away a whole lot of money, you know, cousin. You see? And it's like, after that now, I got my buy two new shoes and a gold chain, brethren. See? And it's like she swears I me the thief for her money. And burn up the whole of my foot them in a brethren. In my sleep too, you know.
That's crazy, man.
Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. They must supply. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them.
I know how to fight
What's up, baby?
Hey.
Come here, cousin Hookworm.
Hookworm?
How you doing?
I know that's not your real name.
Well, my real name is Jimmy D. Luke Martin, St. Vincent, Donovan, Herman, Wayne, Oxford.
What? How come you alone have so many names?
Well, I mean, that is only my first name. Because me and Garfield have the same last name, Crankshaft.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to remember all those names, so I'll just stick to Hookworm.
Alright, sure. You could call me anything you want, you know.
Wait, that's the bell. Excuse me.
Alright, do your things. Garfield, she nice though, man.
Hey, can I use them dryer too, you know, my youth?
Alright. Yo, Garfield, I'm not gonna lie to you. At the worst part of foreign you live, you know.
What are you talking about? What do you mean by that?
My youth, that's how the place dirty, man. I pay graffiti, I see all down Panacana there around this. Not even white people that live on your street.
You know, anyway, at least now you have a chance to make something of yourself. I mean, if you think it's so bad, you can always go back to Jamaica, which part of the streets lined with gold.
Please, Garfield, I want to you.
I want to you.
You talk like Jamaica or Somalia. Yo, you see how Portmore look better than right that's how you live. May I tell you that?
Sure, worm, whatever. Anyway, yo, you remember when me and you go to the mall and you try to thief the Nintendo?
Yo, oh, you remember that, Reggie?
How could I forget it?
A long time that, you know.
You're lucky, I treated you too young, you know I lock you up. How old you was then?
Them time them about 11, 12, Reggie.
Eh?
Yo, them time them teeth like puss in a Garfield.
So you say stop thief now?
I grew up that long time, man. I grew it out, you know. Yeah.
Hard life in Jamaica, man.
All you, me can't believe saying you know go back to Jamaica from your leave.
Please.
You go back to Jamaica right now, the man them beat you, yeah?
Hello, man.
Oh.
Hold on, sir. Yo, who that?
Yo, Rick.
Who?
Rick Wong.
Oh, shit. What's up, son?
It's the business, G.
Oh, man.
What up, baby?
See, man. Yo, come on in, man. Come on in. Just got back from the airport and shit, man.
Oh, where?
Yo, we got a new soldier in the camp, B.
Oh, that's what's hood?
Yeah, man. Just picked up my cousin. Just touched down from yard.
Oh, true.
Yo. Come with my boy Raekwon, man. Ray, this is my cousin right here, man.
What's up, man?
Respect.
Alright, you niggas hold it down for 1 second. I'll be right back, alright?
Alright, man, do your thing. So what's going on, man? It's the first time touching down?
Yeah.
Yeah? So how you
First.
liking it so far?
Boy, it's alright, you know.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
True that. So welcome to New York City, man. We're gonna
Yeah.
have a blast, for real.
Respect.
Yeah. By the way, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Hookworm.
Hookworm?
Yeah.
That's your real name, dog?
Yo, Garfield.
Yo, what's up?
Who your friend I call dog, Reggie?
Yo, what's
Yo, work, man. That's how we talk up here, man. This is a slang thing, man. It ain't nothing.
Nah, man, after I'm gonna look like dog Garfield, man.
Nah, it's not like that, dog. It's nothing like that.
Yo, everything Chris, man. But yo, it's hookworm, man. It's not dog, yo.
I hear you, dog. I mean, hookworm. Hookworm.
Yo,
G.
Yeah, man, everything.
Let me throw a bug in your ear for a second, man.
This is real country, man. You know.
Man, you need to come down here more often.
I want to say I eat him come from, you know.
But the brother man get a wrong report. See it? I don't know himself. Yeah, cuz.
Yo, what's happening, fella?
What's up, man?
Yo! Who that man?
Oh, Bobby?
Bobby Shania?
No.
Beautiful girl like that named Bobby?
No, Bobby, not the girl. The virgin named Bobby. I'm girl that. When I'm girl, you know?
Oh. I mean, I wonder, Bridget.
She look good, don't it?
Yo, it's a bashment girl like that more want to know.
You're not getting on the way you dress.
What wrong with my dress?
You serious?
What wrong with my dress?
Don't worry, man. May I take you shopping tomorrow, see?
Oh man, you're not real.
Like that?
You know that girl, man?
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Hold on. Stacy!
Oh my God! Jimmy, are you that? Oh, we are doing foreign.
So, you think it's a foreign make for you alone?
Oh my God! Oh.
Boy, I'm just dropping that place, you know.
How you like it?
It's alright, man. About 2 weeks now, I'm there in the freezer, you know?
Okay.
Oh, hold on there. Garfield. Come here now. Stacy, meet my cousin Garfield.
Nice to meet you.
So, we are doing some shopping here, though?
Hey, man. I find out if you got one party later.
Party? Yeah?
They got party?
What you mean, man? I want you. What kind of party?
Party. I'm a birthday party. We get one at 5. Yeah, because you can't come later, you know.
Oh, what kind of party? A birthday
Birthday
thing?
party, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we come through.
Make sure you're coming on.
Garfield. Come in now. The little party she keeps still. Our friend birthday party, you know. We could go later now.
Yeah, man, definitely.
You know what? Give me a number, Stacy.
You have a pen?
Garfield. You know, left here penny.
Don't know already.
Can I write it on the flyer?
Let me write it on the flyer. Alright, go.
462 5252.
Alright. So me link tell you come on.
Alright.
Glad to see you now, Stacy. Alright.
You know that beef different.
Eh?
You know that beef different.
Jamaica, I know where from.
Yeah?
Them get me rati, so I go slew them with karate. Rapid me suit, and me full suit a khaki. So I go slew them with karate.
What's poppin', my nigga? What go on fast? Any shit was going down tonight, man. Y'all was calling y'all last night, man. What y'all was doing?
Last night, you know that's
Well, anyway, yo, I was at this strip joint, man. That shit was on and popping, man. Was calling y'all like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, all in the morning and shit, man. Bitches all putting their hands down to their fucking wrist and shit and bouncing and shit and wilding out. Titties, dead ass all on the pole and shit.
So the girl them naked in there?
Yo, butt ass naked and shit. G-strings, no thongs, G-strings.
So yo, you have to carry me next time you go, man.
Yeah, man, we gotta let that shit go down sometime next week, man.
You don't play me, you know, make sure when you go, you carry me, you know.
Nah, I'm dead ass, man. That shit gonna go down, man. But yeah. So how you liking it out here so far, man?
Well, the place nice still, you know. Kind of boring sometimes, but I love how the girl them look up here, you know.
Yeah, true that. Yeah, they got me that fat ass.
Yeah, man. Puerto Rican, all type of woman there, you know.
Little camel foot and shit there. Riti, mamieto, hey, all the Spanish chicks be on it.
Yeah.
Yo, hold on 1 second, man. The business, man. I miss you, boo. You don't miss me? Yeah, you just said that, Carrie. You don't miss me. Come on, if you really miss me, then tell me why you don't want to be with me instead of your friends tonight. Ah, come on. It's Friday night and I want to get it on and popping with my girl. So what you saying? You can't put going out with your girls off this one time for me? Oh, so that's how it's going down tonight. Fine, do you, because I've been doing me.
No boom boom here tonight, eh?
Man, what the fuck you talking? That's a bunch of bullshit, man.
A lot of man now get no boom boom tonight.
Nigga, what you talking about, man? You a virgin in New York.
What?
You a virgin in New York.
That man. When me there Jamaica, me sex at least 2 different girls every day.
Oh shit, we'll do the dead thing, Casanova.
Yo, just give me 2 months and you and Garfield can't talk to me.
Oh shit, that's a bunch of bullshit. I'll pull out the flat book on you. Anyway, what is going down tonight?
Well, me and Garfield are going one party. If you want to come, you can come.
What the hell you just said?
Me and Garfield going to a party later. If you want to roll, you can roll.
Oh hell yeah, I'm rolling. Y'all ain't leaving me out tonight. Anyway, where'd you
Welcome. Hello. Oh, Jimmy. I know you're from Jamaica, though. We used to go to school together. I know him could dance. It surprised me too. Yeah, I know he kind of cute. He just need to dress a little better, you know. Oh no. Me and Jimmy is just friends. That's it. Just friends. Just friends. Why you like him? Me call you back later, yeah? Cause sleep, you sleep. Hey, get up so early. Me call you later. Alright.
Now cold in the streets, you can't talk to no police. Now cold in the streets, you gotta ride to get your need. Cause they can leave you somewhere they can't find you.
Yo, come man.
Man, I seen it happen.
Everything is everything now.
What?
Alright, everything, Chris.
Yeah man, what's good?
Oh, go on.
Tell me something good.
John, when I try to call your phone from one day and can't get you, you know.
Oh man, you trying to play me for a fool? How
Bobby.
stupid do you?
I try to call your phone from one day. I show me a boy, I don't love me message, you know. Because I not even trust TV in our phone. Anytime I think, I turn them thing there off, Bobby. You don't know that already.
Alright, yo, where's my money?
And that I want to tell you right now, say no. I'm meant to come get the last thing tomorrow.
Damn nigga, that's how long it take you to get rid of 3 laptops?
Bobby, everything Chris and Corey.
Yo, make sure of that shit, kid, cause I got some business next week. And if I don't see you tomorrow, I don't want to see you again.
Everything is everything, Bobby.
Alright,
Everything is
right,
everything.
right?
Everything is everything.
Yo,
You see
I'm
me?
out.
Bless.
Yeah man, soon.
Alright, yeah.
Hello? Yes, let me speak to Stacy, please. Stacy this? Yo, you sound different on the phone, you know, baby.
Really? How do I sound to you? I sound like an operator?
Yo, anyway, I love the party last night, you know. Yeah, man. Then me not tell you so I come bust the place.
I never know say a DJ.
Aren't you, Mr. Talented? Just don't forget to look at people when you get big and famous, okay?
Alright, I make you hear something. This is straight from my heart. Goes like this. I wonder if she feels the same way. She brighten up my life like Times Square and Broadway. Yeah. Wonder if she feels the same way. Because I think about this lady all day. Yeah. From I saw the look in your eyes. Not gonna lie, you have me so hypnotized. Physically, spiritually, I felt your beauty. To have you in my life is just my #1 duty.
Wow. You wrote that for me? So when can I get a copy of it?
Then if you want a copy, I mean, you can type it out and bring a copy come give. Yeah, no nothing.
Right now? Jimmy, I'm not so sure about that.
Stacy, me just a come bring the thing. Me just want to bring the thing come give, man. You're going like me a serial killer. Yeah. Want come watch all some TV to cause them just cut off my cable, you know.
Okay. It's 2 o'clock right now. Can you get here by 3? Alright, I'll see you then. Bye.
Yo, what's up?
Are you here, Mary?
Yeah, man.
Oh, sorry about that. You big man. Hold on there. We know your face, you know. We know your face, big man.
I don't think so.
We see a part of sexy body girl for Rogers Avenue a couple days ago.
Oh, true. You was that nigga Garfield.
Yeah.
Alright, what's up?
You know Garfield?
Not really, man. What's up? What you need?
Oh, Stacy, me I look for. You know which Bella Fair one?
You know something? The door's probably open. Just go up to the second floor and knock on the door.
On the second floor?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yo, hold on. What's your name?
Jimmy. But you can call me Upper.
Alright, yo, soon.
Alright?
Yeah.
What them call you?
Just call me Bobby.
Alright, Bobby.
Alright.
Thanks.
Soon.
Yeah.
Who is it?
Jimmy.
Hi, Jimmy.
Oh, go on, Stacy.
What took you so long to reach?
Boy, you want to see taxi man leave me at the wrong place. Trust me, somebody have to give me direction, you know. Me nearly lost.
I saw them taxi man go on you, so.
Boy, Stacy, your place look nice though.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Come on in now.
Alright. You live by yourself?
No. Yeah, my mother live here, but she's at work right now.
Oh. So what happened to your father?
My father live in England. Come on, have a seat. Enough about my life. We're going to Jamaica.
Boy, Stacy, everything changed from bad to worse, you know. Yeah, man. Hold on there. You remember a youth named Carlton?
Carlton?
You remember Carlton, man?
Carlton? You mean little nerdy Carlton with the tickling stem?
You can believe, say, 4-eye Carlton. I want the wickedest man in Jamaica right now.
What? Little nerdy Carlton?
Him same man me I tell you about, man. Little nerdy Carlton. Yo, them man they one of the wickedest man in Jamaica right now. If you look on them man they too hard, a gunshot or gun butt. Them man they kill people and shoot up them funeral regular, Stacy.
Damn! I would have never pictured that from Carlton.
Nobody couldn't picture that, me I tell you.
So Jimmy, what happened to my friend them? What happened to Erica and
Carry?
And Carrie and them girlie.
Boy, I'm glad they asked me that a drama me have to give you now.
I'm sorry, let me take your coat. Would you like something to drink?
Orange juice if you have any.
I don't have any orange juice. You want something else?
Me alright, man.
Okay.
Yo, may I tell you, man. You see, Erica have 7 pitney for 7 different baby father.
7 pitney?
Me know you wouldn't believe that. Me know you not
For
believe
7
that.
different baby father.
Me not tell you, Stacey, man.
Wow.
Girl, them just get loose, man.
Talk about not knowing men fi. Close your legs. And open up your eyes them.
Me not tell you, man.
Wow.
Boy, I say, the best thing your mother ever do, Stacey, when she bring you come a foreign. Cause trust me, a peer sufferation I go on at Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man, everybody want come up here, you know, Stacey.
You like New York so far?
Last week, the first time me see snowfall, Stacey. And no lie. It's when me look through the window and see the flakes that fall outside. Me swear say a flower somebody a dash way out there. You know that.
At least you still have your sense of humor.
Me love the price of the things them do, you know? Things them cheap, bad. And me just love the apple and the grape them can done.
Well, we love the apple and the grape when we just come. Well, we saw me in. You going away from here come yet?
Yeah, you know. I did a day, I go down in a subway and I found down a train and the driver just fly right past me. Like him think me not have money.
Jimmy.
Ratted, what go on my youth? What go on, King? I man have your thing for you today, you know.
Well, the same one this way you showed me last week.
Yeah, man, fully loaded, you know.
Zine, trust my star. You know, I well want to get it, but you know what, go on. Can't hold it this week, cause I have to deal with my rent.
Big man, we decide so we are the business today, you know. So I don't want to hear nothing else, you know. Don't even try to play high, man. So the man depend.
Yeah, man. My landlord pressure me, man. 3 months more, man, thing, and I have to deal with my rent. Cause I'm about to put me on start. Just bring me back next week, see?
Big man!
Good boy!
This is another blood clot joke thing. I man don't come here for joke.
I have a gun from the road, boy. Tell us how sweet things
I man want this thing now. I man serious. I man want my money this week.
Rude boy, have bad gun from the road.
I can't wait till next week. I man need it now.
Hey yo, let me give you money, star. Let me give you money, man. Give me money. I have your money, star. See them. $500 star.
Respect here, sir. But next time, don't delay I man business them way there. Cause I man is a serious youth when it comes to my thing. So hold your thing. I man no buck you again.
So how many see your man in the album?
Me, I don't have a soul.
Say you don't want my soul.
Jimmy, please.
What do you mean by please, Stacey? Right now the only thing we can offer you is TLCG.
Yeah, and what is TLCG?
Tender love and care with a guarantee.
Oh, really? What kind of guarantee?
Guarantee so me not hurt your feelings.
That's nice, but let's just be friends, okay?
Stacey, yeah, friend. But I mean, sometimes I go and play with you.
Play with me? Oh.
Don't worry. I don't play rough, you know. I play intimately.
You're such a smooth talker, Jimmy. I thought you came over to watch TV.
Yeah, but I find you more entertaining. You have a problem with that?
No, but My mother will be here in a minute now. Would you like me to call you a cab?
So we had to run home?
No, I'm not running home enough, but trust me, you wouldn't want she come catch you in here.
Then I saw your mother's trick. Yeah? Alright then. You see, true, I don't want to get you in no trouble. I gotta leave. Get my jacket for me now, please.
Yo, rude boy! Yo, rude boy, come here!
How that?
Yo, come here!
Oh,
Come here, man, come jump in.
Yes, big man.
How's everything going, man?
Boy, everything alright still now.
Good.
Yeah,
You just came up, right?
Oh, you know that?
Miss Cleo.
Miss Cleo?
Yeah, that's my mom's.
Me don't know about the name Miss Cleo, big man.
Yo, anyway, so where you working at now?
Well, me not start work yet still. Why you ask? You know about any available job?
Yeah, you know, I got some stuff jumping off, but
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you can handle the kind of jobs I got.
Well, right now, I'm really desperate. I'm hungry. Me do anything right now, big man. Me not tell you no lie. Just give me a chance to prove myself because me's a hard worker and me not take long to learn things. I mean...
Yo, whoa, slow down. But you rushing, you speeding into this. You know, you look like a good soldier and everything. And I'm the kind of brother, you know, people say, you know, I like to help people out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna think about it.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get back to you and I'll let you know, because I don't think you can handle the kind of jobs I got.
Big man, it's like you know hear me say a while ago. Right now, all I need is a chance to prove myself to you. I know me can do it, you know, King.
You know something? You're pretty straightforward. I like the fact that you're persistent, because personally I don't like bullshit niggas.
Yeah.
So check it. Right now I got an opening for an insurance job.
Alright.
You can make some serious money in a short period of time if you want to get down.
Yeah, but right now I don't have no experience in insurance.
Man, I thought you said you was a quick learner.
Yeah, but I mean...
But experience isn't required, dude. All you gotta do is sit down in a crash car.
When? After the accident happened?
Nah, kid, I need you to be in the car when it crashes.
You can't serious, big man. I mean, me desperately want a job, you know, but me no come to New York for commit suicide, you know, King.
Yeah, kid. I sent the money 2 hours ago, Western Union. It should be there already. Alright? Yeah. Yo, trust me, it's not gonna be that serious.
Serious or not, I'd rather be safe than sorry. I mean, anything can happen in an accident. Me not risk my life than we the big man.
Oh man, kid, my jobs are pretty risky, dude, but they pay well. Way better than 9-to-5 jobs.
I mean, anything or anything, you know. But me just can't see myself sit down in a crash car. Suicide thing, that, King.
You know something? Alright, check it. I got something that's a little less risky. It's a lot of fun, but yo, you gotta be able to play it cool. If you can't play it cool, you can't do that shit.
Well, that sound like me. I mean, I mean that.
You sure?
But we are talking about, what is it?
Shopping.
Shopping?
Yeah, kid, I'm gonna get you a credit card, right? With a $10,000 limit.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get your ID with your picture on it and the name that's on the credit card.
Yeah.
You're gonna spend $3,000 of the 10 on me, and the other 7 is all you.
Alright. No, you talk my language. Here what? Me just want to know say the ID look genuine, right? And I mean, so how long it take you to give me an ID?
Yeah, Duke, it ain't gonna take nothing to get your ID. My cousin works down in motor vehicles. He's gonna take care of the ID. Alright, when I'm ready for you, I'll just give you a call. All you gotta do is come down and take the picture.
Yeah.
Alright, so you ain't gotta worry about nothing. Alright?
So what if the person who owned the credit card report it missing?
Nah, Duke, that ain't gonna happen.
Oh, you so sure?
Damn, nigga, you ask a lot of fucking questions.
You mustn't ask, big man.
Man, Duke, yo, if you need to know, it belongs to somebody that's deceased.
What? What that mean? It belongs to somebody with a disease?
Nah,
what that mean then?
Belongs to somebody that's deceased, departed, passed away. A duppy. Right?
Them weird.
You're funny, homie.
I think that's a disease.
He's a real funny nigga. He's a real funny nigga. You know something? I'm gonna arrange a day next week for you to go take that picture, alright?
Do that then.
Alright?
Yeah, man. As you do that, just make sure you link me up, you know.
Yeah, man. For sure.
Alright.
Yeah, man. I like you, kid. I like you.
Respect, man.
I'll talk to you in a minute.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah.
Yo, hold on. Wait a second. Yo, let me get your number.
Oh, sorry. 555-7462.
Alright, true. Alright, we're gonna link again.
Yeah, man. Make sure you link me now, Bobby.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man. Do that.
Easy. Cuz, what's up? This is Bobby. Yeah, man, how's business? Alright, listen. I got this new mule. I want you to arrange a date he can come down there and get the photo done. Listen, Duke, I don't want shit to get fucked up like they did the last time. Nah, I don't think this kid's gonna squeal if he gets busted. Plus, I know where he lives and who he cares for. Yeah, yo, check it. I gotta get some phones hooked up. Some Nextel phones hooked up. Scientist? Alright, I'm gonna check him out later. Peace.
Jimmy, where you know Bobby from?
Oh? Why?
Jimmy, I saw you talking to him earlier. Where you know him from? Just be careful, okay? You're new and naive.
Naive?
I didn't mean it like that. But why were you giving him your number?
Cause him say him sister like me. The one that live downstairs from you. So, how you get so quiet? You jealous?
Me? Jealous? Please. I just want to warn you, okay?
What? Warn me about what? I was just joking, man. Him know my cousin Garfield. And yeah, him say him lost him number, so you know me just give it back to him.
I hope you're not lying to me. Because that boy, that criminal. Yeah.
Come on, baby. I know you care about me. Don't worry, man. I know you love me, Stacy. Alright. Yeah, me call you back later, yeah. Alright.
What going, boss?
Nothing, you got that for me?
Yeah, man.
Yo, you keep fucking up my money, man. You know something? Hold that.
Watch this, boss. Shot me next 200, boss.
No, I ain't short you shit. You shorted me shit. Alright? You ever hear the saying a day late, a dollar short? This time you're 2 days late, so now you're $200 short. Don't let that shit happen again. Yo, straighten up your fucking face. Alright, we got some new business. Next week I got this kid coming in, right? And I need you to watch his back.
Which new boy that, boss?
You don't need to know it. All you gotta do is watch his fucking back. Alright? Damn. Jada, didn't I tell you not to fucking call me? Yo, listen, I'm gonna call you back when I'm done, alright? Shit. Yo, make sure you start handling that shit right.
When, boss?
When what?
The mission. Because I man have a mission, you know.
What mission?
I have a mission for go take a Caperton suitcase at the airport tomorrow now.
Yo, you're bugging, Duke. Yo, go do that shit. I don't need you for a minute. Go do your thing, man. Alright? Yo, make sure that shit is right next time. Come correct. Don't fuck up my money again.
Everything is everything.
Alright, man. Yo, in a minute.
Listen.
Yeah. Yo, Worm, what's up? It's Bobby. Nothing much, kid. What you doing tonight? I got these 2 bad bitches and one of them's yours if you're ready in the next 15 minutes. Yeah, nigga, I'm for real. What you mean you can't go? Oh, you going out with Stacy. I didn't know y'all was serious like that. Go with Powder? Man, Powder's not too much of a sociable man. That nigga's likely to scare the bitches. Alright, man, I guess it's me and Powder. Yo, peace. Hit me later. Alright. It's me and you, kid. Me and you. One more time. Yo, don't scare these bitches this time, alright? Yo, you know how you get shit.
I mean, I get nowhere, man.
You get pussy lately, nigga? I hope you got some pussy lately, nigga.
Yeah, I was to get the pussy, man.
Alright now.
Yo, Powder, do me a favor, just to sit in the back.
Stop playing, brethren. Make the chicken head them sitting at the back. Shot only ride shotgun.
Nigga, chill the fuck out. I'm trying to fuck this one tonight.
Which one?
The one with that fat ass.
Which one? Both of them body big.
The one on the left, her name's Nikki.
Nikki?
Yeah, you know her?
Yo, King, every Nikki me know I scatter her.
Man, this one is different. I fuck chicken heads on the regular, usually the first day of first week.
So how long you know Miss Big Body Nikki now?
Yo, just move to the fucking back and keep a friend company, man.
So what that mean? You not even suck fun the titty them yet?
Yo, get the fucking back, dude.
You ain't even hold the door, nothing. Shit. What's up, man? How you doing? Come on, give me some more of that.
What's up, girl?
So what you take off your shirt for?
Well, if you like me to put it back on, it's your choice.
No, it doesn't really matter.
Catch. Damn, girl. Show us them tents. Why don't we make you a good massage? Right?
Yeah, nice try, but I already tell you I have a boyfriend.
Well, what's he got to do with us? As far as I'm concerned, he's of no concern to me. Come here, you look so soft and beautiful, man.
Stop touch me, alright?
What do you mean stop touch you? Why are you playing games?
I'm not playing any games.
Good. Cause that's some pum pum you're different right about now.
You must really take me for your whore.
No, I don't. But then say money answered all things. And right now my thing is calling for your thing. And if I take a few extra dollars to get the right answer from your thing, well, so be it, right?
No, thank you. I'm not a prostitute.
No, you must be a lesbian or something because you're the first girl to ever deny me. But that's okay, you know. Now like the first sign of desire in my book.
Just stop touching me now. Stop touching me and leave me the F alone, please.
Hey, girl. I mean, you deal with you. First, I offer you money and a massage, and you still act like you pussy special. How what you want? My gun, I'm a dick. Make a choice quick.
Nikki!
Shelly, what's the problem?
Your friend is crazy, man.
Shelly, what's wrong? What's wrong, Shelly?
God damn, nigga.
What's wrong, Shelly?
What the fuck you do that?
I ain't do nothing to the bitch.
He tried to rape me.
Yo, Powder. The fuck, dude?
The girl I try to take me for fool my youth. Like her pussy special. Tell me about she have boyfriend. Why she never tell me about her boyfriend when I spend my money buy her clothes? Gold digging shit.
Take your clothes, I don't want it. Nikki, get dressed, let's go.
Yo, Duke, I'm gonna get you my keys so you can take it home, alright?
I'm not going anywhere with it. Did you hear what I just said? He tried to rape me. I'm not going anywhere with it. Nikki, get dressed and let's go, please.
Make the bitch walk home, man.
Wait, how many bar alone?
Hey, B, tell this bitch to watch her mouth, you know, because I don't discriminate. I beat niggas like bitches and bitches like niggas if that disrespect is, eh?
Chill, dude. Just chill, dude. Oh, come on, man. The fuck?
Jano, I need to do something with myself, you know. I need a work, brethren. Life hopeless without money and foreign, you know. Big grateful hookworm.
You grew up in one of the worst slums of Jamaica, and you still make it come on foreign.
Grateful for what? Now I'm no girl. Now I get no pom pom. Not so foreign boring. We now have no job. We now make no money. Call it say me now have no family. And I should be grateful.
Yes, man. Be grateful say you're still alive. And life full of no potential and promises. I mean, you don't have no girl right now. But Stacy look very promising. Which means you soon get some pum pum. You know what? Write a song or read a book if you're bored.
Good idea. But what about a job? We need money, you know.
Call Bobby. And Garfield has always been like a big brother to you. It's how you see the glass, you know. Half full or half empty. Cheer up, worm. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Although I don't love man, I have to give it to you. You look good in a boy. You know, so your teeth them pretty. Check out your smile. You know, so your teeth them pretty.
Yeah. I'm so grateful.
Yo, dog, crime scene. Yellow tape me I talk about. But dog, then the emergency room last night. I have every document, them the right or something.
How much I have for you?
Well, Bobby, you don't know me work already, you know. Just fix me up. Because him just treat me good, I don't know work already.
No. Hold that. Alright?
Alright.
If you have any problems, there's like 3 grand on there.
Alright, my
if you have
work
any problems,
is done.
call me, alright?
Alright, respect, then.
Work it.
Alright, take care.
Soon, man.
Alright.
Hello? Bobby, what going? Jano Star, it's been a while now since I took those pictures, man. What's up? Oh, you mean, Bobby? You know for me there I wait for you? Yeah. Oh, you mean? Me ready? Alright. Yeah, man, I get ready. Yeah. Just come pick me up. You remember where I live, right? Alright. Yeah.
Here's the card. Sign it on the back with the name that's on the front. And yo, don't act nervous when you're in the store, nigga. Tekwe, I want you to stay outside of the store, and in case anything looks shaky, don't chance it, just fucking bounce.
I man don't want you act nervous in my life. So you feel like you're angry this thing now?
What I'm to Tekwe, man? Yo, this will be like taking baby from a candy. I mean taking candy from a baby. Yo, just watch me back. That's all I beg you.
So that means that you're all dog and all criminal like I man though.
Me a thief.
Yo, alright, enough with all the fucking small talk. Go handle this shit and then come back and meet up with me.
Alright.
Alright.
Well, hold on. After we done match the works, oh, me I go link you.
Yo, take this phone. When y'all done, give me a call. I'll be close by. And remember, there's 7 grand in it for the both of y'all to split when y'all are finished. And yo, not a fucking word if y'all niggas get detained or fucking arrested. I don't hear about no fucking snitching.
Bobby, man, I'm an informer, man. Go through that.
As long as we're on the same fucking page.
Right. Yo, just make sure you're about them, man, link.
Yeah, man, soon.
Bobby, away there. You know some people look for fun, you know. Alright. You there on the road? Alright, wrap up. Yes. Down there.
Yo, kid. So tell me what the fuck happened, man.
Bobby, mad, sick, me head now good, straight like that. Yeah, I'm tell you something. I go up to the counter and Bobby and the boy bring the jewelry them coming up. You see it? So I take out the big pile of cash where you give me and go like me go pay straight cash. You see it? So when the boy about to give me say, hold up. Do you guys accept American Express card? And him say, yes sir, we do. So I just go so bam and pull out the card and give him it. And the boy goes and swipe it. Ching!
Alright, yo!
Everything go through, Bobby.
True,
Yeah,
man,
I tell you, man. They're the greatest boy.
I give you enough props on that shit, kid. The first nigga I sent on a mission like that nigga's doing 8 years in the pen. And fool wide Techway was too chicken shit to go fucking do it. So as a matter of fact, the card's all yours now, man. Use that shit up, man.
Boss, cool man. Yo, where? I man when you buy something for me for the card, you know. I man I look 2 bracelet and 2 pair of ears ring, you know.
So now you tell me say you're a big time taker. And you name Techway?
The official and the original Techway, everything you have, see?
So you just go take with that then, man. You don't need credit card. Go take it where?
So hold on. I man want to take everything what you have.
Fool by Techway. Leave the fucking man alone. When I wanted to give you the card, you ain't want the shit. You was too bitchy to fucking take it. So just fucking sit the fuck down and go the fuck home.
Boss, I man no love how your style, I man as foolish.
Yo, what, you's a fucking bad man now, nigga? You's a fucking bad man? Yo, word. Go to the fridge and get my fucking shotgun. This nigga's fucking getting me sick.
A joke, yeah, maker.
Fuck you still sitting there for? Go get me the fucking gun.
So Bobby, you really want to shot the man for that?
Yo, what the fuck y'all style off on?
Boss, respect is due where respect is due, boss. I man not take no disrespect, you see me?
Alright, you don't want to be talked out like a fucking fool, but you act like a fucking fool.
Bobby,
what you think?
cool, man.
I'm gonna send that nigga to the fucking kitchen to get my fucking gun when I know you got your gun on you? The fucking gun I gave you? Yo, as a matter of fact, give me the fucking gun and get the fuck out of my damn house. Fuck wrong with you? You silly motherfucker. Get the fuck out of here. Tricks are for fucking Techway, nigga.
Everything is everything.
The fuck out of here, you bitch ass nigga. Yo, you see that nigga on the street, shoot the fuck out of him. Yo, you ain't out the fucking door yet?
Yes, so what going on?
Garfield, what going?
Yeah, where do you watch some TV?
Yeah, you know.
What is BT?
MTV.
Okay. So everything, man?
Yeah, that's a whole lot calm, you know.
Yo, man, where you get all them things from?
Yo, I may have the hook up, you know. Anything we want, just let me know. Sneakers, jewelry, clothes, anything, just let me know.
What you talking about? You can't afford them things there. You not work, you know. How you get the money to get them things there? Yeah, laugh open the teeth, them coming. I want no stolen goods in my house. I'm done one. I ready about making the wrong choices.
Breathe easy, man. Jeez. Yo, I didn't steal them, man. I bought them.
Alright.
Let me show you the receipt. Check it out. Garfield, you're going like man a thief.
You buy them. Wait a minute there. Them things I buy with a credit card.
Yeah, my virgin hooked me up with a credit card.
What do you mean your virgin hooked you up with a credit card?
Garfield, don't worry yourself, man. Everything, Chris. Hear me I say to you. The man give me an ID. My picture up on the ID. But the person name who is on the credit card, that's what on my ID. So everything, Chris, me does I work it.
Virgin, I'm stupid, you're stupid. You know, say them catch you, I do them things there. Federal crime that, you know. A jail you gone, you know.
Garfield, I done tell you already, sir. I never steal nothing, brethren. And mine named upon the ID, we are worried about. Don't worry yourself.
Them things I can't say in my house. Can't stay here.
Garfield, stop.
No stolen goods in the house, brethren.
Stop
None.
going like a girl, no, man. I done tell you already, I'm not thief, nothing, brethren. No police now come ring off your doorbell, brethren. What you talk about? Everything nice, man.
Hear me. Just remember today. I warn you. See? Just remember say I warn you.
Anything we want, just let me know.
Just remember say I warn you.
With charms like that, I'm surprised you don't have a girlfriend yet.
Well, me I work on it still, you know.
Yeah, really? How so?
You have somebody in mind, but I just not think she like me like how me like her.
You sure about that?
Well, not really still enough. Because she kinda shy, you know. But I mean, probably she does see me as a friend.
Maybe. Maybe not. As you said, she's shy and she probably just don't know how to express herself.
Really? That sounds interesting. Alright. What would you do if she was in your shoes?
If I was in her shoes?
Yeah, if you was in her shoes, what would you do?
If I was in her shoes? It depends.
Depends on what?
How big is her feet? But seriously though?
Yeah.
I think that I'll let you make the You know, I still can't believe I lost my earrings.
We are worried about that for Stacey. Release that. Release that.
I had a nice time.
The best birthday this may ever have, you know. Really enjoy myself. But I'm sorry, so I can't spend the rest of the night today.
So you couldn't?
So what about your mother?
She's in Jamaica.
It couldn't be no love that's new. Without you in my world, girl, I'm lonely, lonely. And I need your touch, so baby girl, put it on me, on me, on me. Without you in my world, girl, I'm lonely, lonely. And I need your touch, so baby girl, put it on me, on me, on me. You're the woman of my life. You never be alone, and I'm proud to make a sacrifice. The essence of your presence that keeps me energized. I've never been to heaven, but I can see it in your eyes. Without you in my world, girl, I'm lonely, lonely, and I need your touch. So baby girl, put it on me, on me, on me. Without you in my world, girl, I'm lonely, lonely, and I need your touch. So baby girl, put it on me, on me, on me.
Stacey, what your mother do if she walk in right now?
Oh God. If my mother walked in right now, she'd have probably catch a heart attack or something. That's not funny.
Oh boy.
If your mother walked in right now, what would she do?
Okay, next topic.
No, come on, tell me. If your mother walked in right now, what would she do? Would she tap you on the issue?
Yo, look. We don't want to talk about that right now, so just please, just change the subject now, please. Yeah.
Damn! Eat my head off or something.
Stacey, I know you, man. Sorry, man.
Then what?
Okay? I just don't want to ruin my birthday by talking about my mother.
What do you mean by ruin your birthday? How could talking about your mother ruin your birthday? What you do? Hate your mother? And what about your father? You what? You hate him too?
Stacy, I guess you must know this, so I tell you this from early, right? When my mother was 9 months pregnant with me, my father was a bad man in Jamaica. So, he go up on a robbery with him friend them, and police kill him. So, my mother went into, when she heard the news, she went into labor right out. And she died. She died right after she gave birth to me. So both my mother and my father dead on my birthday, so it's normally a day of mourning, not celebration. So it's not you.
Love is real, the way she makes me feel. She is my gift from God. Thank you, Lord. She makes me feel so lucky. My friend to the air like Chucky. I just love it when she calls me Papi. Baby, you make me feel so happy. This girl makes me feel so lucky. My friend to the air like Chucky. I just love it when she calls me Papi. Baby, you make me feel so happy, baby.
Well, I'm happy and she know it. My smile alone show it. When my heart was torn apart, she saw it. This love, I won't blow it. Cause it's nice to know that you have someone to show that you love them and grow that. Long time me a lost to find a woman to trust. Now I found A+. I hope Jehovah guide over us. Till a kid come sing the chorus.
Yo, I'm on begging up me big enough kid. I'm on just want you buy me some new threads.
Well, right now, take away. I chill out for a little while in the car. And plus thing, I don't even know how much money left on the car.
You still have enough money left on the car. You know I'm gonna kill you if you get me some new pants and some new shirt.
Yeah. So why not just go get it yourself?
Because you have the picture ID. If you never have it, I'm gonna come see you.
But when me use the car, they not ask me for no ID. So it not gonna really make a difference, you know. You see me? Yo, me not go to jail for you no take one. So here was start. If you want some threads, me give you the card and you just go get them yourself then.
Well, alright. I man I go do that. But I man still want you come with me in case the marks I man for ID.
You're a real petty thief, you know. I who name you take away? You need to take with some nerves from a real old convict like me. Yo, alright, here we do. Come check my back here so tomorrow morning and I'll make the flex with you.
I man can't make it so tomorrow.
Then forget about it then, because I mean, I can't do it now. And yo, from what day I'm kind of busy, brethren.
I man need them things now.
No, I can't do it now.
Alright. I man I go come check you tomorrow.
Alright then.
Everything is everything.
Make sure you come link me, Ras. Just lock by the door. No, that be a wicked looking here, no.
Right, sure.
Welcome to Camille's, guys.
Love what I see already.
If you need any help, let me know.
Alright, sweetie.
Okay?
Oh, well, this will look good for Stacy, you know. How much is this jeans right here?
$49.99.
Excuse me.
$49.99.
One section this?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Yo,
Yeah.
how them thing you look?
Yeah, man, right, man.
Alright.
Me love the blazer.
Yeah.
Good choice. Jeans and denim mixed together. Special design.
Where you hold?
This my wall still, you know.
No, so Camille designed them thing there too, you know. You know
I'll take them three, yeah.
Alright. So I run about 350.
What,
Yeah, man.
350? You take credit card?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man, that twingy twang, man.
Look more decent too.
Craig Brown. Charge you the tax with this here.
No problem, man.
Yeah, man, they outside.
Yeah.
You have ID for that car, yeah? Craig Brown, yeah, you that. Alright, give me a minute. Run it again. Maybe something wrong with the machine. Alright, give me 2 seconds.
Yo, why you take so long? Everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything, Chris, man. Everything good.
What seems to be the problem?
The card.
Mr. Brown, do you know this card has been reported stolen?
Impossible.
I understand what you're saying, sir. You are Mr. Brown, right?
Yeah.
Well, as an added security measure, can you please verify your social security number or date of birth for me?
Everything is on my ID.
Let's see. Wow. This must be a bad shot because it sure don't look like you.
Security!
Grab it!
Where you take care of him? Come around the back or so. Where you think? Yeah? Bring him to the back. Bring him to the back. So where you think, yeah?
Yo, I want. Grab them gets, come here.
Hey, how you doing? Hi, I'm Detective Smith. This is my partner, Detective Johnson. May we have a word with you for a moment, please?
Sure, what is this about?
Have you seen this person? Have you ever seen him around here before?
No, I've never seen this person before in my life.
Funny. That's not what we heard. So you wouldn't mind if we come upstairs to your apartment and take a look around, right?
Wait a minute. Do you guys even have a warrant?
No, but we can go and get one. And if we go and get one and come back and find out you're lying to us, we can charge you with obstruction of justice. So now, do you mind if we go upstairs to your apartment and take a look around, Mr. What you said your name was again?
I didn't, and if you don't have a warrant, then I do mind. If you don't mind, excuse me,
Okay, smart guy. We'll be back.
Me are the only worm where woman want fi hook. Dial me number when you want food fi cook.
Yo, I warn you, know. You can't, so never tell you about this. I warn you. You know what, brethren, you have to go. You can't stay here anymore. You have to go. Just pack up your shit and leave my house. Don't go and feel me, brethren. Don't go and feel me. I don't want to hear nothing. Just pack up your shit and leave my house right now. You see me?
What?
You mean what? Virgin, you wouldn't listen, say you are right now. I don't want to listen to anything you have to say. Just pack up your shit and leave my house right now.
So tell me what happened now?
You want to know what happened? You and your thief in is what happened. Now you bring cops, come here.
Police?
Yes.
Oh, police.
They just question me outside. And show me picture of you and shop with somebody else's credit card. Say, hey, my virgin, just do me a favor. Pack up your shit and leave the house right now. See? Right now. Just go on, man. Just go on. Just go on, virgin.
Yo,
hey. I don't want to hear nothing. Just leave my house right now, virgin.
So you don't want to hear my side of the story?
No, just leave my house right now, virgin.
Alright. Virgin, so why does that time if you leave, so?
Just leave, pack up and leave right now, virgin. I don't want to hear nothing. As far as me concerned, me and my cousin no more, just leave. I don't have nothing to do with it no more, just go on. You make your choices.
So virgin, you never gonna find out
just
what?
Leave my house right now.
Alright, virgin. Yo, Bobby. Yo, what go on? Yo, you know, so my cousin just keep me out time place, brethren. You mean, man? So I'm not tell you, man. Yo, detective running in him house, brethren. Now that me I try to tell you. Detective running in my cousin's house, and now the man keep me out time place. Yeah. Cause the man them come with all picture. The man them come with picture and damn son. I must the boy take away, man. I must take away snitch from my brethren, may I tell you. Alright. Yeah man. You respect Bobby, respect. May I come around there right now. That's enough. Yeah.
Alright man, listen to me. Don't go back by your cousin's house. As a matter of fact, don't even go in the fucking neighborhood, dude.
Bobby, you're telling me so the person who owned the credit card dead. So all this happened.
Yo, sometimes a bill will go to the house, maybe the daughter or the wife or somebody call the police. Dude, you can't control that shit. That's why you gotta spend on the card.
Bobby, I want it now. I want it now,
you can stay here in the meantime, dude. You can stay here in the meantime. Just don't go back by your cousin's house, dude. Don't do that shit. Alright? Nowhere around that motherfucker. Yo, you want something to drink?
Give me some chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk, nigga. Yo, you want a Hennessy or something, dude?
Let's give me some chocolate milk now, Bobby.
Weird. You in trouble with chocolate milk? What's up, scientist?
Who that?
Long time.
Bobby?
Yeah,
yes, sir.
So you ready for me?
Yes, yeah, man. I have you a long time, you know.
Good. We got a lot of people waiting for these.
Yeah, that's sir.
So you said I can call Jamaica on these two?
Of course. You can even call Switzerland.
Let me try it. How's the family?
Well, they're doing good, you know. Wife is taking care of the children.
Good.
Thanks for asking, man.
Alright, very good.
The next tell.
Yeah, man. So how much I owe you for these?
Well, those are a lot of phones. And the deal was I hooked them up and you hooked me up. $500 would hook me up just fine.
That's good. That sounds good, right?
Can work with that.
Yeah, so check it out. As soon as I finish selling these, I'm gonna run through here and hit you off, alright?
What? Come on, man. I need my money up front.
Listen. Remember, the reason you open is because I allow you to stay open. You open or close because I want you to stay open or close. Remember that.
Bobby, you're my peeps and all, but I'm a businessman. I don't do business like that.
Yo, Virgin, you hear the man say after him sell the phone them, he might come work with you. So yo, work with that now, Virgin.
Bobby, I'm serious. Is either you pay me up front or I'll go and just cut them off.
Yo, when him, scientist, cut off what? He said you cut them off, you better invent a bulletproof helmet. Cause me I come murder you personally in a fool. You hear that? I'm gonna fool you. Cut off what? Cut off what? Yo, scientists are cool. Yo, Stacey, hold the door. Stacey.
Yo, take care of it.
Yeah, the sofa.
I can't believe it's almost 1 month and you're still staying with Bobby.
Well, you're acting like I'm not staying by your place though. You don't remember? Or you want me to remind you again tonight?
Stop kidding around, man. You know I don't like when you hang out with him.
Stacey, really and truly, what you want me to do? Eh? My cousin keep me out of his place and a Bobby a foul person put me in his place. So what you want me to do about that? Come here. Where you go?
I'm going to the mailbox to drop these mails off. I'll see you upstairs in 10 minutes.
Yo, hurry up now. See? And don't stop and talk to none of them boys up on the corner.
Come in. You look nice today, John.
You look nice every day, you know. Yeah. So what you do?
Let me get a sandwich. You eat ham?
Stay say I mean if me eat ham. That's why a boy like me couldn't become all a rasta, you know, cause I love the pig.
Alright, man, make you a sandwich.
I have a sandwich in mind too, you know. Yeah, man.
What kind of sandwich you have in mind?
Me and you between the sheets.
Yeah.
And you see when I ride the machine, you know what the boy say?
What I say?
I joke him, my man.
Yeah.
So I say, fool, me no run joke, I'm bust one and a half eye, me no.
Yo, that's enough of
the boy tell him the whole of Bronx in a Bobby. yo, man, I tell you the truth, man.
Yo, niggas can't run fast enough now.
Yo, for real, son.
Bobby.
Yeah, easy. Yo, Worm.
Yo.
Yo, I need you to do something for me.
When?
Tonight.
Tonight? You can't do it tonight, Bobby, man.
Oh, man. What the fuck you mean you can't do it tonight?
Tonight? No, man. I got a date with Stacy, yo.
Yo. Right now, Duke, I really don't want to hear shit about no bitch, Duke. You got money to make.
Yo, Bobby. Really and truly, I like when you call me woman bitch, you know.
Yo. Really and truly, nigga? That bitch ain't bringing you no money. She ain't doing shit for you. You staying in my crib rent free. I don't ask your ass for shit. Right now, Duke, where I'm feeling, you either go handle that shit for me tonight or you go stay with your bitch.
That's why I boy them like
Bobby.
people place, you know.
You said to go mash the work yourself.
Dude, this
Yo,
nigga
Virgin.
ain't for real, Duke.
Yo, Virgin. You know me?
Oh shit!
Yo, don't run no joke with me, man. I want you.
Oh, you talk loud now.
I play it, man.
I mean, you have strength for? Are we afraid of Bobby? Wow.
I'm to the brother. Yo.
Yo, pussy. I'm talking to you.
I mean, I deal it.
Yeah, you bitch. The fuck's it gonna be? Business of bullshit.
Bomb clap, never give it to my youth. You're the first one me ever hear deal with Bobby.
Yo, you shut the fuck up, Duke. Fuck, Duke.
Yo, give me a second, man. I make a phone call.
Make it happen, kid. Make it happen. Handle that shit.
Yo, the money are sure.
Bitches. You always talking shit about some bitch. Make some fucking money. Nigga got broke ass pockets talking about bitch.
You worm.
I'm going to see a bitch. Nigga ain't got no fucking money in his pocket talking about bitch.
I can't believe you're telling me this. No, Jimmy, no. Because I wanted to go tonight, not tomorrow. You know what? I am tired of this. I warn you about Bobby, but you don't listen to nobody. I know Bobby has everything to do with this. You know what? That's alright. Don't call me today, tomorrow. You know, just forget me and my damn number.
Get some money in his fucking pocket, he talking about bitch.
For real.
Yo, nigga gonna be living on the fucking street just fucking now.
For real, yo. I'm gonna kick up on him Ross.
Don't make no fucking sense.
For real.
Little fucking skeezer.
So like me, that said Bobby.
You little lying fuck. You think this is a game? You know what's gonna happen to you in jail? I'm gonna personally see to it that Rectum Bait becomes your new name.
Listen, man, I want to help you. There's a way around this if you cooperate. Now, what I need from you to do is to tell us who are you working with. Give us a name, something we can work with, man. Stop fucking around, man.
Officer, I already tell you all I know, man.
That's bullshit, man.
I tell you the guy.
That's fucking bullshit.
Hookworm.
That's hookworm? It's gonna be a hookworm up your ass. You don't stop fucking around.
That's all I know, man.
Listen, we already checked that name, hookworm, okay? There's no one by the name of hookworm, okay? Stop fucking around. Give us something we can fucking work with, man. Why you fucking around, man? Huh? You think we what? This is a fucking game? But listen, you fucking baller. Come here, baller, huh? You wanna be a baller, huh? This is a fucking game? It's not a fucking game.
You ever heard of Abner Louima?
Officer, we could work something out. We could work something.
Hey, this is Stacy. Leave the name, your number, and I'll call you right back.
Hey, what's up, baby? It's me, Jimmy. I'm really sorry about everything. I miss you very much. I wanna come see you, man. Yo, Stacy, if you're there, pick up the phone. Stacy, if you're home, pick up the phone. Stacy! 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 Okay, I'm coming out.
I take care of something.
What you got to take care of?
Yo, me I gotta take care of something, Bobby. Me call you later, bitch.
Yo, look at this fool. I bet you gonna go check that bitch. Oh man, you one of the most pussy whipped niggas I've ever seen.
Yo, Bobby.
Go check your bitch.
Me tell you something I like when you call me woman, bitch. Just cool off for that, no, man. I want to warn you about that already, man.
What? Nigga, you warn me? Nigga, fuck you and fuck that little chicken head bitch you be running around with. Nigga, I warned you a long time ago. Business before bitches.
Yo.
But you don't fucking...
You know, sir, I true me live at your house where you take liberty with me, sir. I true man live at your place where you come deal with me, sir, Bobby. Yo, don't disrespect me, sir, Virgin. I want you.
Yo, you know something? Fuck you and fuck that bitch. Go check her ass, nigga. Get the fuck out.
Yo.
Yo, Bobby, watch this. Hey, what's up, sexy? Me and you and me, what you think? Eh? Hey, what's up with that, eh?
Yo, where you try prove?
Hey boy, I me I talk to so. Eh?
Where you try prove?
Let's go, Jimmy.
Yeah, you better go, Jimmy. Before
Yo,
you end up gone.
You soon get where you look fine up.
I know.
You soon get where you look fine up. I don't know where you try prove.
Let's go.
Go on, Tony.
Jimmy, why you just don't call Garfield?
Call Garfield and say what? Garfield, me not thief again. Just let me come live at your yard now. And that you want me say?
Oh, man.
Yes, right now I'm not even feel too good in my taste and my head not right star. I really need to get my clothes from where Bobby yard come. I now go back over there.
Jimmy, why don't you call Garfield? Here.
Stacey, me call Garfield later, man. Yeah, right now, trust me, star. Right
I have
now,
something to talk to you about.
sorry, so me I'm going to mess with all
Jimmy.
them no call. What you say?
Forget it. Why don't you
Where does the
go? Just forget it. It's not important right now. Go get your stuff and bring it back over here. And tomorrow we'll look about a place.
You sure, Stacey?
Yes, I know somebody with an apartment. May have some money saved up. We can get a place tomorrow. Just go get your stuff. We'll cash here tonight.
Alright, so yeah, I'll get my stuff then. I'm gonna link you now.
You gotta keep climbing, yeah. Being on life's weary road, trying to find myself some peace of mind. Giving and teaching love, opening hearts that once are blind. Letting all God's people know you should never give up, don't you ever stop trying. And
Stacy, what happened? Stacy! Stacy! I want you. Stacy, want you. Want you. A Bobby do this, you know. I bet say a Bobby. Stacy, tell me one thing, you know, when do you? When do you? Talk to me, man, when do you? Yo, you hear me? Pick up the phone, pick up the phone. Yo, Bobby, me know how you know. Yo, Bridget, let me tell you something. Yo, Bridget, let me tell you something. Me know how you know, mark my word, Bridget, me I go fuck you. Straight. Yo, my youth, any home hole, me I go fuck you.
Wormington, bad man, the bomber clot.
You laugh like you think a joke thing, my youth. Right now, them, yo, it's serious now, you know, man. They pass the place, you know. Powder?
At your motherfucking funeral service, dead man. Fuck me? No, fuck your girl. Actually, I already did that. Oh, and tell that bitch sorry about her lip, you know. She did talk. I mean, she screamed too much.
Jimmy, stop it! Don't do it!
Them boy have a feeling.
I said to stop
Yo,
it!
Powder, I'm about to go take a shower. Call your boy so we can get all this shit up out of here soon, alright? Alright. Yo, get up and call him now.
Garfield, it's me, Stacy. Jimmy just leave out of here with a gun and I'm heading by Bobby house. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Please, see if I can go and find because right now I'm pregnant and him don't know me, don't want nothing. I'm tweet. I just don't want to lose him right now. Just go and find, please, Garfield. Yes. Do me, I beg you. Alright.
I know it was you, you know.
Wow.
Yo, Virgin. What know you gonna do, you know? One about Bobby and them youth, but we didn't listen. So I'm only one of the best for you, you know, Virgin. I'm only the best man for you, you know. Just hear some good advice now. Just come out the car at me and
what? And forget say abandon me, Garfield. Forget say you turn your back for me. Yo, and you make me there in New York in a Garfield. And you turn your back for me in a Virgin because call it say you give up on me. Over stupidness stuff. You see me? And right now, Virgin, you see the only person who care about me. Bobby them violate her, so what? I don't make up my mind, so what? A gunshot a boy I go feel. So I don't know where you go tell me, sir.
Where? Listen to me now. Just don't do it. Them not worth it, work.
Fuck that. And what you tell me, sir? Garfield, I want to you. I just go to Stacy apartment and see her lie down on the ground. And I cry. Because the man them broke in her place and violate. I want to you, Garfield. I don't make up my mind, you know. A manslaughter I'm going to charge me for. I want to you, Garfield.
Yo, hear me now.
Yo,
worm. Listen to me now, man. Sorry about how things work out, see? But I'm not going to watch your waist here. I'm not going to watch you throw your life on a piece of shit like Bobby and them youth. I'm not going to.
But yo, me not get it. Me not get it. First, you turn your back on me and know you want to be my savior. Me not get it, brethren.
Worm, please, man, I beg you, brethren. Just don't do it, man. Don't waste your life on them cooler, man.
Yo, listen to me, brethren. I want to get it clear, you know. You see right now, you say if I jail, I just jail. You say if I'm dead, I want you to bury me. And that me I tell you right now, because The man them take it to a different level right now, Bridget, and I don't make up my mind.
So, what to your baby? What about the choice to be there for your unborn child?
Which unborn child are you talking about?
3956 718.
Garfield, is that you?
Freeze, police, don't move! Police, don't move! NYPD, motherfucker! Stop moving! Stop moving! Stop moving! Stop moving! Hey! Hey! Shut moving!
Where's Jimmy?
Jimmy, is that it? Congratulations, man. Yes, congratulations.
Yo, me call it later, yeah?
Talk to you guys later.
Yeah, man. Drive safe. You never tell me say you're pregnant, baby. So my son can't come visit me at jail. After day I feel.